and it all starts with 45 minutes line. I'm almost there, so I'm excited to go in. It has all the park decorated with all the Christmas balls, the bottle opener, and let's see how they market their bottles. That's how you get greeted right when you go inside. And then there is a show. We watched a short movie called The Moments of Happiness, showing the kind actions like the son returning from the army, or the notification of a newborn, or the birthday surprise, and of course everything happens while drinking Coca-Cola.
Oh, I'm slipping away. So don't let me go, nah, 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 nah. I'm all up in that love haze. So where do we go, nah, nah? Just let me know that I am safe here in your arms.
I'm in a secret vault of Coca-Cola formula. The owner bought it for $2,300 back then. All the rights, all the trademarks. The only person that he trusted his secret with was himself. He ordered all the ingredients, did the all purchasing, and he had the only key.
I wanna stay.
We'll keep the secret, because keeping the secret ensures that the magic lives on.
I'm slipping away. So don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, out of control. Oh baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, out of control. I'm in love.
And I'm entering the most favorite room of all, the tasting room, where you can find and try over 100 different flavors of different pops from all over the world. I can see here Africa. Well, Coke owns also a lot of different brands, so I assume it's not only Coke. Let's see.
I'm in love. Yeah.
Trying out Bonbon Anglais from Madagascar. Tastes like sweet candy. Regular sweet candy. Sweet and lingonberry. Like a cherry. Japan. Yeah, the previous shot was supposed to be the concluding one, but I failed, so I just want to say that Coca-Cola is definitely a huge thing. In here, even in Centennial Park, over here you see Coca-Cola billboards, and that's because the owner was born in here and he was the pharmacist. It started to operate from 1818, it's been almost forever, and the ratio was also 5:1. 5 water, 1 Oversteer. Bye, see you in Atlanta.
I am safe here in your arms. I wanna stay. I'm slipping away. Oh, so don't let me go now. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, But baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control. Your love is exceptional. It fills me up. It's out of control, Oh, baby, I love the rush. It overflows. It's out of control, I'm in love. I'm in love. Deep in love with you, baby,
Yeah, that's what going to the gym comes to. I'm moving the plane. I'm leaving Atlanta with Rick. Yeah.
Come back. Atlanta needs Julia.
Yeah.
Soon.
Rick was nice to host me over 4 days. Amazing guy. We did some flying. Pilot.
It's an absolute pleasure. If you have a chance to host this woman, don't miss the opportunity.
Oh, thank you.
But I love the rush.